Hey guys, Greg here coming to another one of my bonsais. Today we're going to move over to some fruit trees that I have in my garden. And we're going to start with lemon, which this guy is, we'll call him lemon tree 1. He's about a foot tall. I started these from seed back in about February or March. So we're in the end of July. So got a few months of life on these guys so far. I did have them growing inside of a tent inside the house, just to kind of start them out for the season. And it was really more just an experiment for me to see if I could grow some from seed. And yeah, I can. Apparently I have like 6 or 7 of them. So you're gonna get a bunch of these kind of showing up. I did give one of them away as a gift, just to kind of weed through them a bit. No pun intended there. But yeah, this is number 1 of my lemon trees that I have, and this guy is growing pretty straight up. New leaves coming in at the top, as you can see, and a nice waxy shiny leaves on these guys as well. The other kind of thing that some people may not know is that lemon trees actually have thorns on them. I'm not looking forward to when I have to start actually working with these guys in another year or so, when I do my trimming and whatnot. But yeah, there are a lot of thorns, a lot of thorns on this guy. So that'll be fun. The greenness down here on the lemon tree, it doesn't look really woody yet, but I do have a little bit of changing color down here, and a lot of the lower leaves, those initial leaves have come off the base of this tree. You can kind of see that the lower leaves are starting to die off a little bit, and they'll start to slowly come off as the tree ages. But this is number 1, or I'm sorry, letter A of my lemon trees. I have about, like I said, 6 or 7 of them, so I'll be going through them. I'll be intermixing them. I don't really want to hit you guys with all of them all at the same time. Doing that can kind of get boring, but I do have a couple apple trees I'm going to intermix here, and some mangoes that are going to come into this as well. So I'm going to start showing off a little bit of the fruit. Just because that's pretty much what's left. But I've got these lemons, like I said, mango, apple, and some pear trees. So let me know what you think down in the comments below if you like seeing some lemons. And make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button if you liked what you saw. And again, leave some comments below. We'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.